Circle part 5, question number 2. If the circumference of the circle is 176 meter, find its radius. Circumference is given, from that we have to find out the radius. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Let's put the value in the formula. 176 is equal to 2 into the value of the pi, 22 upon 7 multiplied by radius. Write the radius first here for our convenience, is equal to 176 into the reciprocal of this 2 multiplied by reciprocal of 22 upon 7. After calculating, you will get here 28. So radius of the circle is 28 meter. The radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. What would it cost to put a 4-round fence around this garden at the rate of the 40 rupees per meter? See, the shape of the garden is circular shape and its radius is given, that is 56 meter, and we have to put the fencing around it. Fencing means if this is the circle, if this is the garden, and we have to fence it around it like this, and 4 round fence, so 4 times 2, 3 and 4 like this. And the rate for the 1 meter of the wire is given here, but when we need the wire, that time we should know the length of the wire. So to find out the length of the wire which is needed for the fencing, for that we should find out the circumference of this circle or the circular garden. So we will find out the circumference first. C, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. R because radius is given. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 56. 352 meter is the circumference. The length of the wire needed for 1 round of the fencing is 352, that is the circumference. Now the cost of the wire is given here, that is 40 rupees per meter, and here we need 352 meters of wire for 1 round of the fencing. If 1 meter cost 40 rupees, 352 meters, how much rupees we need here? That we will find out. Cost of 1 round of fencing is equal to length of the wire multiplied by cost per meter. So 352 multiplied by 40 is 14,080 rupees. Now here we know now the cost of the 1 round of the fencing, but in the question it is given 4 round fencing. That's why we have to multiply this value by 4. Cost of the 4 round of fencing is equal to 4 into 14,080 is equal to 56,320 is the answer. So the cost for the 4 round fencing is 56,320 rupees. The wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meter. How many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer? As I told you that if this is the wheel and when it start rotating like this, we want such kind of example. When the one rotation complete, that time we have to find out the circumference of that circle, because circumference means the one rotation or the distance covered by a wheel is the circumference. So we will find out the circumference here. The diameter of the wheel is given 1.4 meter. So pi d, circumference is equal to pi d, 22 upon 7 into 1.4. This is 4.4 meter. So this is the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation. Okay. But we have to find out how many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer. So this is the total distance. So to cover this total distance, that bullock cart wheel completes how many rotations? That we have to find out. But here we find out the circumference in the form of the meter, and here kilometer is the unit. So we cannot calculate here before converting it. Both the quantities should be in the same unit, so we should convert this kilometer into meters. When the wheel completes the one rotation, it covers a distance that is equal to the circumference. So number of rotations taken by the wheel to cover the 4.4 meter, means the one circumference, is equal to 1. Now the wheel covered the total distance of 1.1 kilometer. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1.1 kilometer is equal to 1.1 into 1000, that is 1100 meter. This formula we have to use always in such kind of examples, that total number of rotations is equal to total distance upon the circumference. Here the distance is 1100 meter upon 4.4 meter circumference. Now to remove this decimal point, we should multiply the numerator by 10. So it will become 11,000 upon 44. After dividing, we will get 250. Hence, the wheel completes 250 rotations to cover a distance of 1.1 kilometer. Understood it?